congratulations yung Daiwa. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me.
Congratulations and best wishes. Naunahan niyo pa ako ha. Ay, ano lang ka mo, magpakasadya per me. God bless. Congratulations again.
My destiny, you and I were meant to be.
Lami, Kent, happy wedding ninyo makang adlaw kabay nga maging masadya ka mo. Kung si Ilami hay akig Kent sayud mo gon maghipos ka. Mag-akig ka Kent maghipos ka man gihapon. Agud inyong pagpangabuhi nga daywa hay maging matawhay. Uman mayad-ayad kinyo ang mayad nga maging masadya ka mo.
I wanted someone like you.
Hi Ken and Ella May, congratulations to your wedding. Kabay pa nga maging manami magkabuot pa inyo nga pag-iibang daywa. Good luck to your next journey.
It was just a word,
Just a word.
something not only heard about.
Hi ni Elami again. Congratulations kinyo. Welcome to married life. Syempre, may baby yun ka mo. Alagaan ninyo at mayad. Stay strong. Always. God bless.
I were meant to be with all my heart and soul.
I give my love to heaven home.
Elami and Ken, congratulations pinyong nga daywa. Ako niya nga mahambal hay magsundanan, magpelanggaan, magbigayan, ag yabi sa tanan hay magmahagan. Kung rosambilog hay karayo, rosambilog hay tubi, agud hindi magsapon. Congratulations!
'Cause baby, I believe that love will find a way.
Congratulations ay para yung kakasal nga adlaw daywa nakabay pa nga manami yung piliba daywa yung life together, be strong, and congratulations again.
Oh, baby, you're my destiny.
Hello ni Ken, congratulations sa inyong wedding. Sana buhay pa ka mo and more babies to come.
I give my love to heaven home.
And as far as I can see,
Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Javier. Di ba kung matakam kira anak kon, humayo kayo ang magpakarami.
My destiny.
you're my destiny. I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies,
Ay, pinyong daywa, congratulations!
like the shadow that's by your side.
Kay Ken at kay Ella May, congratulations sa nakasay makarong niya adlaw. Huwag ako't ibang mahambay, kundi kung sino kinyo o akig, magpaiway lang bawat sambilog para magkasundo ng tanan. Congratulations!
Be sure I know my part.
Hello, Elami and Ken. Congratulations on your wedding day. May your love grow stronger each day, and please choose each other, whatever it takes. Again, congratulations and best wishes.
Make mistakes. I'll never break your heart. And I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies.
To Ken and Ella May, congratulations and best wishes to both of you.
The shadow that's by your side,
I'll be there.
Hi, Elami and Ken. Congratulations. Best wishes to both of you.
every beat of my heart, and I
Lami and Ken, congratulations on your wedding day. This is your new journey and no matter what happened, yaman yapon kami para kinyo ga support in good times and in bad times. I am not looking forward nga sa ulihi ay magka-problema kamo because I believe in your relationship nga ina-center din ninyo si God kaya happy gid kamo forever and ever. So thank you for being part of our life and for touching me, for being a true friend to me. Thank you very much and once again congratulations and welcome to the newly world being a husband and wife. And to your incoming baby, we are still here as a second mother. Ako kung sakali nga at the end of the day ay kailangan kamo tagabantay. Once again, congratulations.
And the stars and the skies, I'll be there. I'll be there. I swear.
Ken and Elami, congratulations and best wishes inyong nadaywa.
For better or worse, till death do us part.
Hello, Nini Lami and Teto Ken. Best wishes. Congratulations. May God bless you, boss. May you have a successful and happy married life. Again, congratulations sa inyong daywa.
I swear, by the moon and the stars and the sky, I'll be there. I swear, like the shadow that's right in your side, I'll be there.
Hi, LMA. Hi, Ken. Congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you all the best in life and a happy life ahead. Once again, congratulations.
I